Today, I'm showing you how to change your hotspot name on your Android device. Let's get started. Open Settings. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Go to Network Settings. Tap Network and Internet or Connections, depending on your device manufacturer. Access Hotspot Settings. Tap Hotspot and Tethering or Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Open Mobile Hotspot. Tap on Mobile Hotspot or Wi-Fi Hotspot. Configure Hotspot. Tap on Setup Mobile Hotspot or the gear icon to access hotspot configuration. Find hotspot name. Look for network name, hotspot name, or SSID field. Change name. Tap on the name field and delete the current hotspot name. Type your new preferred hotspot name. Choose a unique name. Enter a name that's easy to remember and identifies your device. Avoid using personal information. Save changes. Tap Save or OK to update your hotspot name. Turn on hotspot. Toggle on the mobile hotspot switch to activate it with the new name. Verify new name. On another device, search for Wi-Fi networks. Your hotspot should appear with the new name you just set. And that's it. You've successfully changed your hotspot name on your Android device. Other devices can now connect using the new hotspot name.